गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
ओम मंगलम गणेश मंगलम
गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
ओम मंगलम गणेश मंगलम
गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
Hi everybody, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So good morning. This is around 8:30 in the morning and I'm all set for my Ganpati ji, Aarti now, and I would want you to see what I do in a day. I actually kept Ganpati for the entire 10 days. So, every day this is the entire day ritual that I follow when I have Ganpati ji at home. And this is my consecutively 4th year that I have Ganpati at my place. So Ganpati Bappa's blessing is always may always shower upon everybody and on us, and without any ado, I would go take a shower so that I can come back and do my aarti and the other morning ritual that I do before I start my morning puja. And I will take you guys along with it. I hope you like this and you enjoy watching this with me. Hanji, so I am back. I took my shower. I'm all ready to start my aarti. Right now it's almost 9:10 as per my clock. So we'll just do everything very quickly, and I'm already pretty late for the aarti today. I generally start around 8:30, but yeah, nevertheless, let's start. I'll show you the first thing that I do before I start anything else. So there is something called Akhand Jyot, what we do for Ganpati basically. So what I mean by this, there's a diya that we basically lit up for entire 10 days that we have Ganpati in our house. So that is called the Akhand Jyot. So this means that there is a light for Ganpati Maharaj every time 24/7 in the house, and we keep looking after it, keep putting ghee, the oil, so that it doesn't go off, and basically you got to be very careful with this. So this is the first thing that I check when I take my bath and I'm all ready to touch the temple. So now I first, since it's all fine and my the Akhand Jyot is nicely lit up, so I don't need to do anything. So now what I'll start doing is taking all you see all the the utensils that I'm using, all the accessories that I'm using for Ganpati ji. So I'm gonna wash them now before I reuse them again. So let's. This was the bhog we kept for Ganpati ji in the night. So now this is the time I'll make another prasad now for Ganpati ji. And that's my favorite, modak, and Ganpati ji's favorite too, and I love it. Though I got to count my calories, these 10 days I've actually eaten a lot of them. But it's okay, it's Ganpati ji, so Ganpati Bappa Moria, it doesn't matter. So now all done, cleaned everything. It does take a while, so that is why I was saying you got to be patient when you do this. There are a lot of things that you have to prepare before you actually start your final aarti for Ganpati ji. So I'll start by cleaning each one of these, and I'll drench all the water, and clean them, make them dry. Yeah. while I do that, Kianch is actually sleeping, you know, and for a change that I have the time to do that. You know, another very important thing that I want to mention here, see, I'm not a perfectionist of what I'm showing you guys here, okay? So please don't, you know, quote me later saying, oh, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. It is something that I believe what I do for Ganpati Ji, and that's what I've been doing from a couple of years. And you know what I believe, all you need is little Shraddha, you know, like for Ganpati Ji. And anything, even a little you do by heart, you know, I'm sure Ganpati Bappa will accept it. So yes, so I hope you guys like it, and I hope it helps somebody who's really trying to do, and you know, really trying to find out what they should do for Ganpati. I hope this does help you guys. Wait, I think that light is right on the camera, so I don't know if you guys can see that better or me better. Let me put that off and I'll put another light on. I think this is better. Now when all the you know, diyas and all clean, dry, so now I'll start lighting them up, you know. This is one Akhand Jyot that I showed you, but there are another two Jyot, you know, another two diyas that I'm going to light up, one for my temple, one for another Ganpati statue that I have at home, which is permanently at my place. So these two, I do that, clean that anyways every day when we worship, we light these two, otherwise also. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Ganpati Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Ganpati Bappa Moria. So now the next thing, I have to prepare the bhog for Ganpati Ji. Every morning we do that, you know, the fresh prasad that we actually give it to Ganpati Ji, that I make, you know, for Ganpati Ji, or Purnima makes sometime. So you know, this is what it is, you know, little suji with ghee, and then some sugar. It's like suji ka halwa, you know. That is what I'm trying to make. That's what we make anything in sweet in the morning. That's what goes for Ganpati Ji's bhog. You know, a little bit of sugar, and that's it. You know, that is what, how it's going to be ready, and that's how it looks. And a little bit of water, so that the consistency becomes little liquid. Like I said, the bhog that we give in the morning to Ganpati Ji is something that I cook freshly. So today what I cooked was halwa. You know, this is the suji ka halwa. I'm not a very good cook, so don't judge me there. You know, so I had the bhunawa halwa before, which got over apparently, so finished, and I forgot to, you know, prepare it yesterday, so I just made it, you know, today now. So this is you know, without you pre-brown the halwa, you know, the suji, and you know, when you just make it, when you have less time to make suji ka halwa, that's how the color looks like. And these are the favorite Ganpati Ji's modak ke laddu that we gave, and this is the water glass that you know, we would want to give water to Ganpati Ji with this, and a little spoon. So that's how I give my bhog. So you know, the same thal, the same plate, keep changing with different, remain same, and keep changing with different food for lunch and dinner, like that. So let's go. You guys also come with me and do this. So the other bhog which goes is 5 kinds of fruit. So 5 different types of fruit that I put. So I've got Today I didn't have the fifth one, so I put 2 apple, some grapes, pomegranate, and the banana. So these are the 5 fruits that I'm going to now give it to Ganpati ji, and please accept our blessings and give us your blessing, and accept whatever the little that I'm trying to do for Ganpati Bappa. You all must be thinking what I'm waiting for Aarti. Actually, they're fresh flowers that we use every day for Ganpati ji. The entire, the neck mala and everything is used as fresh flower. So my savior, her name is Purnima. She's just on the way getting it here for me. So we change it. You must have seen me taking that all the the mala and all. I took it out. So that the reason is because they are already 24-hour-old. So before we do the next day aarti, we put a fresh one, the fresh flowers, like that. So we change it. So I change that for the entire Ganpati ji setup, and then I change the same thing in my mandir, my temple also. So yeah, that is what I'm waiting. So another 2 minutes, she's just on the way, and let's get going with the aarti. Everything is done. So starting from cleaning the utensils, cleaning the the place where Ganpati ji is sitting, then the diya, and then the akhand jyot, and then making the prasad, and changing everything, cleaning the my regular temple, other things also. I'm done with everything. All I'm waiting for the flowers to come, and then start with my aarti. So we'll do that. How beautiful they look. My favorite that we use for Ganpati ji is the lotus flower. So these are the one we put 2 each every day, 2 of them every day. So now, as we were just done with the aarti and everything, this little boy woke up. Say good morning. Ab jai kar do. Do jai. Jai. Jai to everybody. This was the morning ritual. Now we had, and after this the aarti is done and everything. Now I will start doing my morning ritual. Like I'll have my tea and everything. So I hope the morning ritual that I just showed you, was useful to you. And now we'll move on to the afternoon, thing, or the entire day schedule, that what we do. Now the next thing we're going to do on our vlog, like I showed you the morning aarti, so same way we're going to do the evening also. In between, in the afternoon, we actually gave I just changed the bhog, the prasad, basically the food for Ganpati ji, and that's all I did. And now there is the evening aarti that we're doing. So it's 7:15, so I usually do that around 7 to between 7 to 8. So now this is the aarti time, so I'm going to almost do the same thing, except the entire cleaning up procedure, that is the only thing which is not there. So yes. So now for evening bhog, the prasad that I call it, I am going to what I am going to give it to Ganesh ji is the water, like I showed you in the morning. And this is the paneer sabji that we made. There is one chapati, little dal, and the modak laddu that Ganpati ji loves. So this is what is going to be the evening prasad for Ganpati ji, and that's how it goes every day. So you have to do it for breakfast, then goes the lunch, and then goes the evening. So every time we make food, so the same time we change food for Ganpati ji also. So that is what happens. So this is what we call. After whatever is, you know, we change, so the rest, the amount which is, you know, left there, that is the thing we call it prasad. We distribute amongst each other, and you know, we you know, take it as Ganpati ji's blessing, like that. So we'll do that now. To all of you, Bappa's blessing, virtually Bappa's blessing to everybody. So now the aarti is done, everything you know, for the puja, all the procedure that I showed you, all that I've done here, that I do every day on Ganpati for another, you know, for the next 10 days that I'll be doing it. So on the 10th day they're going to be Visarjan, immersing Ganpati, you know, in the water. So that's what we do on the 10th day of Ganpati. This will, you know, till Ganpati Bappa is in my house, I will be doing this every day for Ganpati Bappa. So starting from morning aarti, like I showed you, then lunch, there nothing happens except, you know, the little you know, there's little mantra that we say, and after that, you know, just the prasad gets changed, and then right after that, it's just the evening time. You know, we do the entire aarti and whatever the worshipping that we have to do, and the dinner, you know, and then we serve dinner to Bappa, and that's what. And now Bappa will go to sleep. I'll go to sleep in a while, and it's going to be a good night for Bappa. So another day I've got to get up for the aarti again. So I'll do that, and I hope, you know, that this one going to be helpful for you. So this year decoration, you know, look like this for Bappa, and you know, the Akhand Jyot that I was saying is still lighting, and it may I worship and pray for you all, you know, wealth, health, you know, good times. I hope Bappa gets a lot of happiness in everybody's life, heal the world, which is the most important thing right now, with you know, having said you know, the pandemic that we're going through. I hope you know, everybody recovers, everybody who's suffering, you know, Bappa heals that person, and you know, we, you know, just become the positive version of ourselves. That is all I can pray for you all. And from here onwards, I would say, I would bid you guys a goodbye, and I hope you like the vlog. Like always, do share and, you know, subscribe to my channel, as that will mean a world to me. So Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Ganpati Bappa Moria, 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 Ganpati Bappa Moria,
Ganpati Bappa
Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria.